Today we're at Richgrove Elementary School, home of the Warriors, and we're here to do the Well, today we're at Richgrove Elementary School. We've got some 4th, 5th, and 6th graders, and they're going to be working in pairs today. And what we're going to have them do is, first of all, look at some patterns with numbers, specifically on the 100 chart. A lot of students use this when first learning their times tables and looking at patterns for certain numbers. So what I want you guys to do is take a look at the chart that you've got, and you can do it individually right now if you want, or you can work together with a partner. What I want you to do is just find a couple of patterns, all right? Other than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's a pattern, right? But what I want you to do is I want you to find a pattern and then be able to explain the pattern to us, all right? So you can make little marks on your paper if you want to remind you of what the pattern is that you're doing. So if I did a pattern like this, if I said, all right, I'm gonna start at 1 and I want to add 1, where am I? I'm at 2, right? Okay, so now I'm at 2. I added 1 before, and now I want to add 2.
4.
Now I want to add 3.
7.
Now I want to add 4.
11.
You see, you can make up any pattern you want. All right? So look at the chart, and you might be able to see something, and you're like, ooh, how does that work? Like if you were looking at something diagonally, if you wanted to make a shape of something. So take a look, see what kind of patterns you can find, or a pattern you can make up on this paper. So what pattern have you got going right now?
So it's practically that by the 2s, but I didn't start here. I started at 12 and then I'm adding 3 so I can go to 16 so it can be even numbers.
Okay. So you're going from 12, you're skipping 3 of them, including the 4th one. So you're counting by 4s right now?
Oh yeah.
So you're doing it by 4s. All right, so go ahead and you can shade in a few more. And why did you start at 12? Just you didn't want to do the first row?
I didn't want to do the first row because I felt like that was too easy.
Okay, good. So keep on going. Have you got a pattern?
Yes.
What's your pattern?
My pattern is I'm doing by 3s, by 4s, and by 5s, and by 1.
Okay, so you go count by 3, then by 4, then by 5?
Yes.
Is that what you're doing? So if you went 3.
So I could get to the even number 30.
Okay.
So I started through odds, and so I went to evens.
All right. That's your pattern. And what have you got going on?
Like 3s.
You're going by 3s? All right. And what have you got?
I'm multiplying by 11.
So you'd go by 11. So everything is a double, right? Where you've got 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. So that's a good pattern right there. And let's see, our final pattern, what have you come up with?
I'm doing it with 5 4s, but at first I was doing it by 2s, but I decided to make it by 4s.
Oh, so you started with 2s and then you decided to go by 4? Yes. There you go. Well, it's your pattern. You can decide what you want to do. All right. So that's just a little bit of the introductory work for the 4th, 5th, and 6th grade students at Richgrove Elementary.